Hello everyone, how are you? I am Soumya Bharti, student of class 9C. I am here for the tell some strategy which could help in election of 2020. So I have chosen the strategy of RJDP, which means Rashtriya Janata Dal Party, and this leader of this party is Tejasvi Yadav. So let's move to our strategies point. First, there are different uh, parties which are forming different alliance, so they could also follow this method to create the different alliance named Congress and RJDB. Next, um, they could do more advertising. They could do more ads and bannering about their parties, which could help in the awareness about their parties for the to the people. And next, rallies should be conducted on a large scale. Except me and you, there are many people who don't know read and write. So it will beneficial to them if they will listen the voice of people who are included in rallies. If they will listen about the fact and what the benefits they are going to get from the leader, then they could easily differentiate this party and different party, and the benefit what they are going to get from him, and he able to give the common people desirable, means what the common people want, is he able to give to them for this. And now next move to our topic. Only they could rise only important topics. Suppose if the leader of the party start to speak in the between of a speech unwanted things, then they could have a lack of interest by the common people in their parties. So this could affect on the result of the winning of election of 2020. So it can't be, means so it they could do the topic which are important. Now next move to the, they could set up communities to in order to know what people have point of view about their parties. This is very important to have to set up community, means they are responsible for getting vote from common people only, and it is very important to know which people have what he thinks about their parties. So it could also affect, so it is very important to conduct a community to know the what people have the viewpoint, to know the common, to know the viewpoint of common people. And now or they could have to talk only the interest of people, why people will give the vote. If they could have it, if they could don't have any interest in the party, then why they will interact with them? No, there is no only the question of, there is no any question of having interest in the party. So leader of the party could have to talk for the interest of people. If they could have interest of people, then people will obviously have interest in the parties. So, and now my last point is fair pricing of the goods for the both common people and the farmer people. Means see, because in the society most of the people are farmer, and like we are common people. If suppose if a farmer is growing potato, onion, cabbage, carrot and selling in a very less, very cheap amount, like 5 rupees, 8 rupees, and we are getting from the shopkeeper at the rate of 100, at the rate of 60. So where are the remaining monies are going? These monies are going to greedy merchants. So, and now one point I forgot, that they could offer the jobs, they could offer the employment, because this is very means what common problem. uh, Not only the uneducated people, even graduated and educated people are suffering from unemployment. So if they could start providing them employment, then they are not providing them employment, they are providing them happiness and joy. So which could help in the which could help in the making their condition good. So through this, people could have a interest in their party. Thank you for listening my points. Stay safe, stay healthy, and now for bye bye.